6.5 hours later.
So, this is the new Mac. Okay, so let's unbox this. Oh, it's on the wrong side. Shit. Ta-da! Oh. Oh. Well, no need for that. Wow! This is what you get when you spend almost 4,000 on a computer. Okay, so, well, this is a 16-inch MacBook Pro. It's the base model, but it's like more than enough for most things already, honestly speaking. Okay, so let's unbox this. Whoa. Whatever. Okay. Wow, it's damn heavy. Smells like a box. Wow. There it is. I am damn scared. Please don't drop. Space gray. Whoa. Let's see what else comes in the box. There is a wire, charging brick, and adapter. Yeah, standard. Classic Apple paperwork with space gray stickers. That's pretty cute. Apple Malaysia service card. Hello, I'm from Singapore, sir. What the heck? No, okay, that's enough. Oh, that's pretty smooth. Okay. Box. Therapy. I guess. Wow, look at this. You tear it from here. Wow. This is one take and I'm quite amazed that I've not screwed it up yet. Well, let's hear the annoying Siri sound. Start. What the heck? It's not. Oh, it is. There. It lag. It's so clean now. I cannot. Should have done it on a table, not a coffee table. Okay, I'll set it up and...
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
It's not working. This thing is not working. The light's on. The screen is not on. Work! Okay, look at this. Like... Oh! It was on 0 brightness. Wow, what a stupid machine. Wow, that's pretty annoying. Okay, back to setting up. Oh, this is pretty cool. Back when Touch ID was a thing. Oh, yes, come on. Yeah, wow, okay. We are done. finally set it up. We'll spend the weekend trying to like mess around with it and probably edit this whole clip on the Mac and test it with $300 set of apps. I don't know if you can see it. Nah. Anyway, so yeah, this is my new computer that I finally changed from a MacBook Air, like from 2013. So it's expensive. You don't really need it, but when you need it, it comes in clutch. Well, this is my first impression of it, and I'll be giving my review on it sometime soon if I ever do. So thanks for watching.